Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and happy New Year's Eve. So I normally put up my videos on Tuesdays, but since I was doing Vlogmas, that video went out on Tuesday and I could not leave out telling you about some of these awesome pieces that I have received throughout the month of December through PR. And also I thought about showing you what I got for Christmas. So if you're interested in all of that, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and let's get into this video. Now we have quite a bit of pieces to go through, so I'm gonna kind of go pretty quick here. So we're gonna start with loungewear first. I have this two-piece loungewear set. It's like a fleece, but if you can see, it has like these stripes in it right here. Okay, so let me take this apart. This is the top, long sleeve. It comes off the shoulder. It's more of a boat neck style top. And then the pants, same material. They do fit more like a legging, so they are very snug or more fitted. And the top is definitely the more oversized. This is a large. The top is probably a little too much oversized for me, but then the bottoms are a smidge tight. So I don't know, like we need some kind of balance here. Like these fit like a medium, and loungewear, you don't want loungewear to be really tight. And so I really feel like we need to find some middle ground here, because this seems like an extra large and these seem like a medium. So take that with a grain of salt. If you have a really tiny legs, then go for it. But I have awesome calves and thighs. So it's a little different on me. And we have another loungewear set. I always have little fuzzies on my stuff. And then we have another loungewear set. I really, really like this one. But again, like the other one, the sizing is off. This is a large. The top fits great. It's a tank top, rib material crop. It's very thick. It's not super thin. The bottoms, I love this material. It feels so high quality. I do not know what it is. But again, like I said, these are a large and the pants are huge. Okay, so like really, really big. I could have gone with a medium on here, but then the top fits great and it's a large. And so again, Amazon people, get your stuff together. We need some correct sizes here so that we'll know what we're ordering and we can actually order the correct stuff. But the material on these are so awesome. It has pockets on both sides. There is a drawstring. The ankles are elastic. And so you can wear them long, of course, if you want. I was pulling them up to like my calf just because I'm in Florida and sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cold. But I really like the look of them being more scrunched up on my calf. But they were just so baggy, like through the hip area. So yeah, just be mindful of that. But this material, I don't know what it is, but it's stretchy, but then it's kind of like a ribbed material. But I don't know if you could see that on camera, but I don't know, it feels really like, I wouldn't say like premium, but definitely has more high quality than even the outfit before. Next up is a set of 4 crop top. I've already explained to you guys several times how much I love these things. These are a large and they fit like a medium. So if you have a large chest, you may want to go up even 2 sizes, but I think these are great for undershirts, even though they're cropped. So just say you're wearing one of these under a button down, you want to tuck your button down in. You don't have to worry about tucking this extra piece of material in and making it more bulky. And so I love these. I wear them as undershirts all the time. This 4 set comes in multiple different color combinations. I chose the one with the more neutrals. I think they have one that has like a green, and then I think they have one that has like a pink and purple. And so everything will be linked below. So if you are interested in 4 set, you can go check it out and see which color combo you like best. Next up is a 3 set, and it's more of a mock neck short sleeve crop, if you caught all of that. So this one, again, like the previous 4-piece set, you can choose different color combinations to suit like your specific palette and style. So this one has the white, the beige, and the black, again, like the others. Undershirts, that's what I like to use these for. These are a little different though, because they do have a short sleeve. This is the only style of shirts that I have like this, and that's why I chose it. Most of mine are the sleeveless. And so I thought this was just a different take on the crop. If you wanted to go like so that it's oversized, because these are large, these do fit like more, they fit snug, like they're not tight, so I think they are sized correctly. But if you are wanting a bigger size, since these are fitted tops, you may want to go up a size or 2 if you want the more oversized. But yeah, these are rib material, and I have worn this one, and if you can tell from the neck right here, it has a little bit of bacon neck, as Steven calls it. I have not wore these two, but I have wore the white one. So be mindful of the bacon neck. Next piece up is an outerwear piece, which is kind of quirky and fun. That's why I chose it. So it is a bomber style jacket, but it's in this net material. So obviously it's not going to keep you warm, but I wore it to lunch yesterday over, not this black top, but I had another black top that's in the dirty clothes. But I wore it over a black tank top, and I just kind of like pulled the sleeves up. They are elastic and they are like snug fitting. I pulled it up to like my wrist right here, or not my wrist, my forearm right here, and just kind of like scrunched it up. And I left it unzipped. You can zip it, but I like the, I don't know, it was like a cool girl look. And so I take those chances every time I get them. This is definitely a unique piece that you can just like throw on as an extra layer. Obviously not for warmth, like I said, but it's still very unique and cool. And I'm pretty sure this comes in other colors as well. Next up is this super cute hot pink bodysuit. It is a long sleeve. It has elastic at the wrist. I love the sheer sleeves. Sheer is really trending right now. Like it has kind of always been like there, but right now, like a lot of the trends are focusing towards the naked trend, where there's a lot of pieces that are sheer like this, like full body sheer. We'll get into that in another video. But yes, the sheer sleeves, I love these. It has a tie right here that goes across the back just as an extra little detail. It has the corset style bodysuit right here. I love how it has, it's not real boning, but it looks like boning. It's just the seam. Now, I will say this is a large and it is a little big. So I would recommend, I see that's where it's so tough, because I'm normally a medium, but then sometimes I'm a large. And so this is a large and it's big. So if I were to order this again, I would definitely go for the medium. But I still was able to wear it and pull it off. And, yeah, that's it. I think it's really cute. I styled it with a pair of, or not a pair, but I styled it with a black skirt and some little stripy heels. And it was so cute. Yeah, so be sure to check this out. I'm thinking it comes in like 4 other colors. Like, I think there's like an emerald green and maybe like a burgundy. I don't know. Everything's going to be linked below, like I said. So check it out. I think this is so fun. Yeah, and then I love the pink color, of course. Like, it's one of my favorites. Moving on to pieces from TAMSY. Thank you, TAMSY, for sending over these pieces. Now, this did come in right before Christmas, and so I'm pretty sure they have their Christmas holiday stuff marked down on clearance right now, but this is such a great piece. I love it. The material is really nice. It's like a thermal. I don't know the material of this, but it feels really nice. There is just stuff everywhere. I swear my clothes just collect hair and fuzz. This was really fun for Christmas. I love how it has the sequences and all of the extra embellishment. This is a large and it fits great. I paired it with a pair of faux leather pants and some over the knee boots to make like pretty much a monochrome look, but with the Christmas tree sequencing being the details. But it's so fun and festive, and be sure to check out their website. I know they always have sales going on, but I'm pretty sure their Christmas and like holiday stuff is marked down like major right now. So be sure to check this out. Put it in your arsenal for next year. You won't be disappointed. Now, this next piece from TAMSY, I absolutely love. It is a Midi sweater dress. Now, I'm not normally the Midi length. I think my height is just like, I'm 5'5", and so I feel like sometimes they make me look weird in a way, like especially whenever I try to style it with shoes. So I have to be really careful. But this one has the oversized shoulder, oversized drop shoulder. I paired this with my over the knee boots scrunched down to look like a slouchy boot. I put a belt on with it and I pulled the sleeves up and I topped it with a black fedora hat. It was adorable, okay, adorable. This comes in, I think, 3 other colors. This is like such good quality. You can, like, I know you can't feel, I can feel. Again, I don't know what the composition of the material is. There is a seam all the way down the back right here. And what else? Oh, the sleeves have this ruching detail right here. And then there is a, you can't see it, I'm sorry. There is a slit, a small slit at the bottom that goes up, what is that, probably 6 or 7 inches, just to give a little bit of room. And a last piece from TAMSY is this patchwork poncho. So cozy. Like, again, like the other, I do not know the composition. I should really do more research before I come on these videos and start talking about stuff, huh? All I know is it's soft and it's like a blanket. And you see how it has this this detail? I don't remember what this is. Is that called serge? What is that called whenever you sew it? It's like a blanket, basically. For the hem. Is that what it's called? Is serge? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Anyways, it's so warm. Like, I love how the different colors of gray like all work together. You literally can wear this with just about anything. Now they do have, I think, 2 others. One has like reds and like burnt oranges that would do better probably for your warm tone, like your brown boots, those type. But this is great, especially for me. Like the majority of my closet is black and gray. So this just fits in perfect. And yeah, I actually like wearing this, and I've had it for, I'm gonna say probably about 2 weeks, and I like wearing this outside. I really enjoy sitting outside, especially by the pool. And I will just like throw this on over my shoulders and just like go sit in the rocking chair outside. And then this just like drapes over my legs whenever I'm just like sitting there. Anyways, but yes, this is awesome. And I'm pretty sure this is only like $20. So yeah, don't let this pass you by. And for what I got for Christmas, now I've already mentioned in several other videos, but since we do have a few new people here, I will go ahead and say it again. The way that my husband does things for Christmases throughout the year, I send him links of things that are on my wish list of things that I would like to have. And he just kind of goes through those. I don't get all of them because we're not millionaires yet. I'm not going to curse that. So he'll go through and he'll just like find a link for whichever. I don't know if he eeny, meeny, miny, moes it or what. But yeah, this was the link, or one of the links that I had sent him. And he was so sneaky about it. I don't even like, it was in a Nordstrom box. And I was like, our Nordstrom does not carry luxury designer because it's in Jacksonville. And apparently they had to stop carrying because there was a lot of theft going on. So anyways, our store does not carry luxury brands. You have to get it online or go to another store. Anyway, so I saw the Nordstrom box and I was like, oh gosh, what is this? There's no telling. It was in a huge box. And I seen this and I was like, I know exactly what it is. So let me stop rambling and get into this. Oh, whoops. dust bags. That's multiple, if that gives you a hint. And what are these called? What are these called? Biker Vitello. I don't know what I can't pronounce that. Biker Vitello. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but they are these black combat boots from Fendi. Let me put the box down. Okay, so here is the boot up close. Oh, so beautiful. But sad thing is, so apparently they run big. I'm a true 7 and they're like a 37.5, which translates to my size 7. And they are half size too big. So we are gonna have to send these back. So I have not wore them yet. Well, you know, I put them on and walked in my bedroom with them, which there's carpet in there. But they're just so beautiful. I love this Fendi right here. So yeah, that's what I got for Christmas. Yay! But yeah, I will keep you guys updated with whenever I get my new boots in, the ones that, you know, actually fit right. So yeah. And that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for sticking with me throughout this whole year. Thank you to the new subscribers that have come along and joined the family. I am thinking about putting out more than one video a week. I've been thinking about it probably for the past 10 months, but I think I'm actually gonna start implementing that moving forward. So yeah, be sure to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss them, okay? Have a great evening, night, be safe, be careful, and I will see you in the new year. Bye.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what